All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I jumped on Amazon because my version of the Xperia 1 does not have a free case inside. And honestly, even if it did, I wouldn't have used it because it was the hard plastic clear kind. And I wanted some real protection to help scrapes and bumps and everything. So for now, I jumped on Amazon and bought this yesterday on the 12th, and it got here today on the 13th. So it just came in this generic box right here, nothing fancy. I needed some protection for this phone. People will always say, oh, you know, don't cover up that beautiful phone. But trust me when I tell you, no one's going to buy you a replacement of this beautiful phone. They won't do it. They're not going to spend their money and buy you a replacement if you drop it and break it or get any kind of cracks on it. So this is the purple version. And I know it's a beautiful phone, but we got to protect it. We got to keep it new and fresh. This is my daily driver now. So I jumped on Amazon and found this. This is a company called Moco. It's definitely a company that we've all heard before. It's got like this faux carbon fiber look on here, which is what I like. It comes in different colors too. I mean, I just grabbed black from what I could see on the thing. I'm pretty sure there's other colors. I've seen some that are brown and blue and stuff like that. But nonetheless, this is, some would say this is a generic version of like a Spigen rugged armor case or something like that. But me personally, all these cases that are like this, they probably came from the same source, just a different name on it. This one looks a little different. I really like how this looks on the top right here, because there's different versions of this where you can have like a textured in the center and then like that carbon fiber on the top and bottom. But I wanted something that had this full carbon fiber look. So you can see the cutout here. And by the way, I paid $6.99 for this, free one-day shipping. Microphone cutout is there. You got to make sure that's there, and the other one's down there. Shouldn't be nothing on this side. And it's got a little bit of grip on it, and a little bit of texture too, just a hint of it. Then you've got your camera button, your power button, fingerprint is open, volume, and all your ports and everything are open down here. So let's get this put on here. It goes on super easy. Lots of space here compared to my case for my Xperia 10. This one has a little bit more, feels better when using the fingerprint reader, I'll say. So fingerprint reader is nice on there. Let's press hold this. That button is looking pretty sweet. It's ready to go. Volume is good. Yeah, power button, it's all good. So you just need to make sure your microphones are lined up there and all your ports are lined up, and that is it, folks. Nice protection for the phone. Definitely needed this. I ordered this immediately, but again, I didn't know that the phone didn't have a free case in the box. I genuinely didn't. I just was ordering something else because I wasn't going to use that case anyway. You got some lip protection right here. Pretty nice. It's good. Lay on the table design. I'll probably put a screen protector or something on it. I'm not sure yet. But the phone is good in this case. It's got grip now. I'm also going to try to find a skin for this thing. So $6.99 free one-day shipping, just a basic case, man. You can't go wrong. You got to have something on your phone to protect it when you go outside, or sometimes even around the house, because I dropped the phone in the house and it shattered in the bathroom. So that's how I broke my Moto Z. I mean my Moto G7. It just slid off my lap and like 2 feet and shattered on the back. So this right here, hoping that it gives me some protection, and then I'm reaching for a fingerprint reader. And we're gonna keep this ball rolling, man. So this is the Xperia 1, my first little cheap little case I got for $7 shipped. I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe I'll link it down below if you decide you want to grab it too. But trust me, there's a variety of cases out there. So do your research. I'm out.